Hello, this is Daniel from KC Allied Health, and today we're talking about some generic strengthening exercises for the shoulders. In a previous video, we talked about flexibility of the shoulder, and normally we want to deal with getting the flexibility and posture right in the shoulder before we start strengthening it too much. We're going to look at some very common weak areas in the shoulder today. To start with, we're going to talk about shoulder external rotation. To do this, let's start with your arm down and elbow locked at your side. You want to get yourself a stretchy band. These are TheraBands, which are fairly easy to get a hold of. Keep your elbow locked at your side the whole time and hold onto the band so that it resists you in turning your arm outwards. Slow and controlled, twist your shoulder so that your arm is now tilting away from your body. You should feel the muscles behind the ball and socket joint of your shoulder working hard to do this. If you feel like the neck is doing more of this action, it means you want to stop, go back to flexibility, and try again a little bit later. Scapular retraction is an important movement that a lot of people who work on desks normally need to work on. Let's use the wall angel exercise to work on it. You start with your heels, your hips, your back, and your head all against a wall, and this is now your point of reference. Now you place your arms up against the wall. If I straighten my elbows, it's quite easy to get my arms against the wall. But as I bend my elbows and keep contact between my elbows and my wrists against the wall, it gets harder and harder for my shoulder to adjust to that level of rotation. So what you're going to do is you're now going to place your arms against the wall, keep your wrists and elbows in contact, and bend your elbows and find that point where your shoulder just feels like it has to work hard to keep them there. Now, you push your forearms into the wall and drag your arms down against the wall as if you're trying to strip the paint. When you hit the bottom range, relax your arms and come back up again in that relaxed state. Don't push your way back up the wall again. Reset. Push your arms back into the wall and come down again. This exercise is working on several things at once, but you should feel the back of the shoulders working quite hard to do this. Again, if you feel your neck is getting involved, you want to stop and go back to the flexibility exercises and try this one again a little bit later. If any of these exercises cause pain or dysfunction, you're more than welcome to contact the clinic and discuss it with us. We would be delighted to help you with any shoulder issues you may come across. This is Daniel wishing you the best of shoulder health. Goodbye.